Good morning, and welcome to your 8-minute stretch routine. This quick routine is designed to wake up your body, improve flexibility, and prepare you for an active, productive day. So let's get started. Begin by standing tall with your feet shoulder-width apart. Raise your arms overhead and reach for the sky. Hold for a few breaths, feeling the stretch in your hamstrings and calves. Now bend forward from your hips and touch your toes. If you can't reach your toes, don't worry. Just bend as far as you comfortably can. Hold for a few breaths, feeling the stretch in your back and hamstrings. Next, bring your right foot behind you and bend your left knee. Lean forward until you feel a stretch in your right hamstring. Hold for a few breaths and then switch legs. Now, sit on the floor with your legs extended in front of you. Reach for your toes and hold for a few breaths, feeling the stretch in your hamstrings and calves. Next, lie on your back and bring your knees into your chest. Hug your knees and hold for a few breaths, feeling the stretch in your lower back. Let's add a few more stretches to this routine. First, let's do a child's pose. Kneel on the floor and sit back on your heels. Extend your arms out in front of you and rest your forehead on the floor. Hold for a few breaths, feeling the stretch in your back and hips. Now let's do a cat-cow pose. Get on all fours and round your back like a cat. Hold for a few breaths and then arch your back like a cow. Repeat this a few times, feeling the stretch in your back and spine. Finally, let's do a warrior pose. Stand with your feet about 3 feet apart. Turn your right foot out 90 degrees and your left foot in slightly. Extend your arms out to the sides at shoulder height. Bend your right knee until it is directly above your right ankle. Hold for a few breaths and then switch legs. And that's it for your 5-minute stretch routine. I hope you feel refreshed and energized. Remember to listen to your body and don't push yourself too hard. The most important thing is to move your body and get your blood flowing. So make stretching a part of your daily routine and enjoy the benefits.